Here are the top 10 ways ultra-high net worth individuals plan to invest their fortunes in 2023. But why should you care? In 2022, there were roughly 579,000 people globally with wealth that exceeded $30 million US. Over the next 5 years, this number is projected to reach 744,000, a 29% increase. Well, if you plan to be worth $30 million very soon, tracking the investing patterns of the ultra-wealthy who are individuals worth that amount is the way to go. Hi, I am Coco Ombu. This data is adapted from the 9th ranked 2023 Wealth Report, and the data can be used as a precursor of how the ultra-wealthy may still invest in 2024. It conducted a global survey of over 500 wealth managers, family offices, and private bankers that oversee a combined $2.5 trillion worth of assets. Here's the rundown as seen on Visual Capitalist. The numbers 8 and 10 assets and the amounts invested by the rich will completely shock you. Stick around till the end of this video to find out what they are. The number 1 investment of the ultra-rich were primary and secondary homes, with these real estate pieces accounting for slightly over a third of their total wealth allocation at 32%. This is the largest share across all assets, with the average ultra-high net worth individual owning an average of 3.7 homes. 28% own residential properties outside their countries. Europeans, Americans, and Asians own properties in Ibiza. The rich love the island life. 2. Equities. Ultra-high net worth individuals poured 18% of their investments in stocks. They invest heavily in the stock market, and Americans are the biggest investors, owning 33% share of equity, followed by Europeans at 28% and Asians at 26%. 3. Commercial property. The rich targeted to invest $1 to $20 million US in commercial properties. They targeted supermarket spaces, last mile fulfillment spaces, student housing, co-living, data centers, offices, farmlands, and forests. Yes, a lot of rich people are targeting to save the earth by improving the biodiversity of natural areas. So what do? They buy forests. And they were willing to spend 14% of their wealth on commercial properties alone. Number 4, bonds. Bonds are issued by governments and corporations when they want to raise money. A bond is a debt security like an IOU. The ultra-rich loan governments money. Yes, you heard that right. And 12% of them consider this as part of their investment plan. 5. Private equity and venture capital. Investing in startup and growth stage companies are a big deal for the ultra-wealthy. Hence, private equity and venture capital investments accounted for 6% of total wealth on average, with the rich investing between $1.8 million US and $6.9 million US in a private equity company. 6. Commercial property funds. The ultra-rich may not want to be the sole risk bearer for very expensive commercial assets. So what do? They pool funds together and buy it with other rich people through a commercial property fund. Each investor makes a significant contribution to purchase the asset, which represents their individual share of that asset or assets. The property trust is managed by professional asset managers. The ultra-rich were willing to allocate 5% of their wealth to invest in this fund in 2023. 7. Commercial property REITs. Ultra-high net worth individuals were willing to invest 3% of their fortunes in real estate investment trusts. Commercial REITs trade shares on the public exchange market, and investors buy shares to become shareholders. 8. Investment of passion. The rich plan to cast 3% of their wealth into investments of passion, such as cars, arts, and wine. Over 50% of these assets grew by double digits between 2021 and 2022. In 2023, nearly 6 in 10 ultra-high net worth individuals said they plan to purchase art. 59% plan to invest in art, 46% in watches, 39% in wine, 34% in classic cars, 33% in jewelry, 20% in luxury handbags, 18% in rare whiskey bottles, 14% in furniture, 9% in colored diamonds, and 8% in coins. All 10 of these items increased in value over 2022. The rich paid stellar prices for museum-quality works of art. 5 blue-chip art sold at over $100 million at the auctions in 2022. A $143 million Mercedes-Benz Uhlenhuth Coupe comfortably set a new record for the most expensive car ever sold. Now that's incredible. The watch market at the top 3 auction houses grew 33% in 2022 to a total of £475 million. 3 designs have dominated sales in the past 5 years: the Patek Philippe Nautilus, Audemars Piguet Royal Oak, and the Rolex Daytona. These brands say they can't even cope with demand. Now, the rich love watches. 9. Gold. Investing in gold is a staple for the ultra-wealthy. However, they only capped that at 2% in 2023. Number 10. Crypto assets. The rich plan to invest just 1% in crypto assets in 2023. Perhaps there'll be a change of heart with Bitcoin chasing after the moon. The real estate sector was the most attractive for the rich to allocate their resources. Of all the investments, which was the most intriguing to you? For me, investments of passion. I can't wait to get myself a $1 million Rolex Daytona. I'd love to hear your views, so drop your comments below and share your perspectives on your thoughts on these investments with us. Hope you were able to draw out some insights from the top investments of the rich and why they invest in these assets. Remember, investing is risky. This video is for information purposes only. Talk to your financial advisor before making any investments. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more investing insights. Once again, I want to say thank you for taking our time to watch this video, and catch you soon.